We're now going to add the Stoplight Key Performance Indicator. After we've loaded the card, as you saw in a previous video, configure, we can give this any name we'd like. And then in this location right here under partner URL, from the help, https ideatesolutions.com stoplight.html. Click Save. Now all we need to do is log in. You simply sign in. It's going to ask you to allow the data transfer. Click Allow. And you stay logged in about 2 hours or so. Now we're going to attach a particular card to a database location. Click on Copy URL. Now we come back up here to Configure. Come down here to the partner URL. Control A for all. Control V for copy. You see it gives you unique ID. Save. Now here we can then come in and pick the project we want, which is 2021 samples. And when this stops rotation, I can choose from any of my folders that are in there. So it separates it out by folder here in the bold. And then we can come in and select that particular file. And it gives me the information that I am interested in. Note, to save this, it's very important to click this Save button. And the page layout is saved. If I then want to look at any other file in that, I could create a new card, of course, but I could also come in here and decide I want to look at that file. Also note this icon right here that looks just like an email envelope. If I click on that, it will open up my email, which is Outlook in this case, and it gives me the link. It tells me what project and what file I have and the number of critical warnings found.